So when you want a new custom bike day, but you need a family cargo bike day, what you need to know is Trisled's got your back. This is Scott's family cargo bike build. Right, so Trisled's history of building cargo bikes is a bit interesting. We're predominantly known as a Valmobile and recumbent manufacturer, not really a cargo bike company. However, we've been contracted to build quite a lot of special commission cargo bikes for end purposes like courier companies and waste disposal and community groups and that kind of thing. One design to come out of these commissions is a bike called Phat Maxi, which was originally designed as a courier bike for Sydney couriers to move legal documents. It was based on the kind of European Long John style design. We commissioned a mould for a rotor-moulded tub to make it super durable to carrying cargo. It was basically a cargo bike, heavily built with chromoly tubing. Its design kind of dried up around, about 5-6 years ago, and we just really stopped making it. Not because it wasn't a good bike, just because there wasn't any demand for it. I actually have one that I've been riding to and from work the whole way through all of this. It's a great bike for the dog and I to commute on. So I've got quite a lot of love for this bike, and when a friend of mine, Scott, asked me to build a family cargo bike for him based on this design, I was actually pretty excited to pull the jig out and make another one. In discussions with Scott, one of the things we wanted to really work out was how to maximise the use of this bike. We're building this custom handmade bicycle essentially to be a cargo bike for when his child was probably up until about 4 or 5 years old. And we wanted the bike to be able to live on beyond that. And the idea he came up with was to use an existing kiddie trailer capsule as the cargo compartment initially. And after his kid outgrows that, these can be removed and replaced with a wooden tub or any kind of other cargo compartment that Scott chooses to whenever he's ready. This means we can go into a little bit more trouble to have a lot more advanced features in the bike and a higher state of build than what you would see on a lot of cargo bikes, more custom, more high-end, without the bike being over-capitalising and having, an expiry date. This bike will live well beyond its initial purpose and can be upgraded numerous times. So on with the build montage. I'll show you what we've built for him and we'll go from there. One feature I'm really happy with on this bike is the compatibility that we've set up in the rear triangle. It has our own design rocking dropout, which means the bike can be operated as a single speed or a single chain bike. It's got tags to be roll-off hub compatible. It's got a open brace so that it can be Gates belt drive compatible. It can remain as a one by like it is now. It can be an e-bike or not an e-bike, depending on what you want. So this bike can have, as I said before, several lifespans or remakes before it's done. So I hope you dig this build. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel and like this video, tell your friends about me, and check out some of the other things we've built. This will probably be the last cargo bike we build for a while, but if you're interested, please get in contact. Maybe later this year, early next year, we can look at building some more cargo bikes for people if they're keen. Cheers!